Pool Payday not opening on Android 15 can usually be narrowed down to an app update, corrupted app data, device software, or a compatibility problem. Google's Android troubleshooting steps specifically recommend restarting the phone, updating the app and Android, for stopping the app, and clearing its cache or data. Google Help 109. By the end, you'll know which fixes to try first and when reinstalling the app makes sense. Start with the simplest fix. Restart your Android phone. Then open the Google Play Store. Tap your profile picture, choose Manage Apps and Devices, and check whether Pool Payday has an available update. Also open Settings setting, go to Device System or UAD Software Updating, and check for an Android update. Google recommends checking both the app and the operating system when an installed app will not open. Google Help 109. If Pool Payday still closes immediately, stop it. Open Settings. Select Hapsame, find Pool Payday, and choose Aim for Stop and Go. Then launch the app again. The exact menu names can vary between Samsung, Pixel, Xiaomi, OnePlus, and other Android phones. Google 1. Next, clear the app cache. Go back to Settings Apps Pool Payday with storage, then choose Clear Cache if your phone provides that option. Cached files are temporary data, so clearing them can remove corrupted temporary information without immediately deleting everything stored by the app. Google Help 1.1. If that does not work, check the app's compatibility and availability. Search for Pool Payday directly in Google Play rather than relying on an old download link. Some Pool Payday branded Android apps have been removed from Google Play in the past, including listings that are no longer available for download. If you installed an APK instead of the current Google Play version, be especially careful. Android 15 includes security and compatibility changes that can affect older applications, and an app built for an older Android environment may not behave correctly on newer software. Your final troubleshooting option is to clear the app's data or uninstall and reinstall it. Before doing that, make sure your account information is available, because clearing data or uninstalling can erase locally stored app data and may sign you out. So the fix order is simple. Restart Android 15, update Pool Payday, update Android stop the app, clear its cache, then consider clearing data or reinstall it. If Pool Payday is still unavailable after those steps, the problem may be compatibility or an issue with the app itself rather than your phone. Try those steps in that order, and if this fixed Pool Payday on Android 15, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.